The deep sea is the last true frontier on Earth, a world of crushing pressure, eternal darkness, and chilling temperatures, and it's home to some of the most bizarre and mysterious creatures you could ever imagine. Today, we're diving deep to count down the top 10 most mysterious ocean creatures ever discovered. Are you ready to explore the abyss? Let's get started. Coming in at number 10, the vampire squid. Don't let the name fool you. This isn't some blood-sucking monster. It's actually a small cephalopod, growing only about 1 foot long. It lives in the oxygen minimum zone, where few other animals can survive. Instead of ink, it ejects a sticky, bioluminescent mucus to dazzle and confuse predators like deep-diving whales and seals. Its diet is surprisingly gentle. It feeds on marine snow, which is just bits of dead organic material drifting down from above. With a lifespan of up to 10 years, the vampire squid is a true master of deep-sea survival. Next up, at number 9, we have the magnificent giant oarfish. This is the world's longest bony fish, rumored to reach lengths of over 50 feet, though specimens are more commonly around 10 to 25 feet. Imagine a living silver ribbon swimming vertically in the water column. They are rarely seen alive, as they live at depths of up to 3,000 feet. Because they are so elusive, not much is known about their lifespan or predators, though it's likely that only very large hunters, like sharks, would dare to take on a full-grown oarfish. They primarily feed on tiny krill, plankton, and small crustaceans, filtering them from the water. In some cultures, seeing an oarfish is believed to be a bad omen, but for scientists, it's an incredible opportunity. Sailing into our number 8 spot is the Portuguese man-o'-war. Now, this one is a bit of a trickster. It looks like a single jellyfish, but it's actually a siphonophora colony of tiny, blot, specialized organisms working together. That vibrant gas-filled float you see on the surface can be up to 1 foot long, but its tentacles are the real story, stretching down an average of 30 feet, and sometimes over 100 feet. These tentacles are armed with venom-filled cells used to paralyze and kill small fish and crustaceans. Their main predators are sea turtles and the Glaucus atlanticus sea slug, which are immune to their stings. A man-o'-war's lifespan is about a year, drifting at the mercy of the wind and currents. At number 7, we find a goblin shark, a true living fossil. This pink-skinned shark has a uniquely long, flat snout and a jaw that can protrude dramatically to snatch prey. Growing up to 20 feet long, it roams the deep sea floors at depths over 4,000 feet. Its diet consists of whatever it can find in the dark, including deep-sea fish, squid, and crustaceans. Thanks to its deep habitat, adult goblin sharks have very few natural predators. Their lifespan is estimated to be around 30 to 35 years, spending their entire lives in the perpetual twilight of the deep ocean. Halfway through our list, at number 6, is the terrifyingly beautiful black dragonfish. This is a creature of extremes. The females are formidable hunters, growing up to 16 inches long with fang-like teeth. They even have light-producing organs, called photophores, along their bodies and a special lure on their chins to attract prey like small fish and crustaceans. But here's the mystery. The males are tiny, barely an inch long, have no teeth, no functioning gut, and live only long enough to mate. It's a short, strange life. With its ability to produce its own light, the black dragonfish is a true queen of the abyss, fearing little in its dark domain. For number 5, we have the colossal squid. Not to be confused with the giant squid, the colossal squid is shorter but much heavier, making it the largest invertebrate on Earth. They can reach up to 45 feet in length and weigh over 1,500 pounds. Their eyes are the size of dinner plates, the largest in the animal kingdom, perfect for spotting prey and predators in the gloomy depths of the Southern Ocean. They are active hunters, using 2 long tentacles armed with swiveling hooks to capture large fish and other squid. Their only known predator is the sperm whale, and battles between these 2 titans are the stuff of legend. Their lifespan remains a deep mystery, but it's thought to be only a few years. Creeping into number 4 is the giant isopod. Imagine a roly-poly or pill bug from your garden, but supersized to be over 2 feet long. That's a giant isopod. These deep-sea scavengers crawl along the ocean floor, thousands of feet below the surface. They are nature's cleanup crew, feasting on the carcasses of whales, fish, and squid that sink to the bottom. They have a tough, armored shell that protects them from the crushing pressure and from potential predators. One of their most incredible traits is their ability to survive for years without food. In captivity, one went over 5 years without a single meal. It's estimated they can live for decades. At number 3, we have the coelacanth, a fish thought to have gone extinct with the dinosaurs 66 million years ago. But in 1938, a living specimen was discovered off the coast of South Africa, stunning the scientific world. These living fossils can grow up to 6.5 feet long and weigh nearly 200 pounds. They live in deep, dark volcanic caves. Coelacanths are opportunistic drift feeders, mostly eating lanternfish and squid. Due to their size and armored scales, adults have few natural predators. Most remarkably, scientists now believe they can live for up to 100 years, making them one of the longest living fish in the sea. Our runner-up, at number 2, is the giant squid. The legend that inspired the Kraken, the giant squid, is an enigma. They can grow to an estimated 43 feet long, with eyes the size of basketballs. They are found in all the world's oceans, usually at depths between 1,000 and 2,000 feet. They are powerful predators, using their 8 arms and 2 longer feeding tentacles to snatch prey like deep-sea fish and other squids. For a long time, our only knowledge of them came from specimens washed ashore or found in the stomachs of their main predator, the sperm whale. Their lifespan is thought to be short, perhaps only 2 to 3 years, living fast and growing large in the deep. And now, for our number 1 most mysterious ocean creature, the barreleye fish, also known as the spookfish. This animal is straight out of a sci-fi movie. It's a small fish, only about 6 inches long, but its head is completely transparent and filled with fluid. Inside this see-through dome, you can see its eyes, 2 large, green, tube-shaped orbs that are incredibly sensitive to light. These eyes can rotate, allowing the fish to look straight up through its own head to spot the silhouettes of prey above, or look forward while it's feeding. It's believed they eat small crustaceans and jellyfish. Living at depths where sunlight barely penetrates, its transparent head protects its sensitive eyes. So little is known about its lifespan or predators that it remains one of the ocean's greatest and most wondrous puzzles. From living fossils to transparent heads, the deep ocean is a treasure trove of mysteries waiting to be discovered. Each new dive brings us closer to understanding these incredible animals and the alien world they call home. Which of these creatures did you find the most fascinating? Let us know in the comments below. If you enjoyed this journey into the deep, don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe for more adventures into the unknown. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next video.